In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Foxit Reader. Whether you're using it for study purposes, professional work, or just to make certain parts of a document stand out, knowing how to effectively highlight text can be really beneficial. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open the PDF document you're working with in Foxit Reader. If you have Foxit Reader already installed on your device, go ahead and launch the application. Once it's up and running, open the PDF you want to modify. You can do this by navigating to the File menu, selecting Open, and then choosing the document from your files. Make sure the document is fully loaded before proceeding to the next steps. Now, once your PDF is open, you'll want to locate either the Comment tab or the Home tab within the application's interface. These are typically found along the top of the Foxit Reader window and provide a variety of tools for editing and annotating your PDFs. Within one of these tabs, look for the Highlight tool. It's generally represented by an icon that looks like a marker pen. This tool is specifically designed for highlighting text, making it an essential feature if you're aiming to emphasize certain sections of your document. After identifying the Highlight tool, click on it. When you do this, you might notice a small pushpin icon appearing next to the tool. Clicking this pushpin icon is especially useful if you plan on highlighting multiple sections of your document, as it keeps the tool active without needing to be clicked again. This can save you some time and make the whole process much smoother. Once the Highlight tool is selected, you'll observe that your cursor changes its appearance. Now it's ready for you to begin highlighting. Simply move your cursor to the beginning of the text you wish to highlight. Click and keep holding down the mouse button as you drag across the desired text. Release the mouse button once you've reached the end of the section. The selected text should now be highlighted in a color, usually yellow, making it stand out from the rest of the content. And there you have it. You've successfully highlighted text in Foxit Reader. This method allows you to easily mark important information or sections of interest within your documents. It's especially helpful for creating study notes, emphasizing key parts in a report, or simply making a document more visually accessible. Remember that practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with this tool a few times to get comfortable using it. With these skills in hand, you'll be navigating and annotating your PDF documents in Foxit Reader like a pro. If you have any questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to consult Foxit Reader's help section or look up other tutorials online. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy highlighting.